Welcome to Zentali Meditation. Close your eyes gently. Take a deep breath in. Exhale slowly and fully. Feel the air entering your lungs. Let go of any tension. Relax your shoulders and neck. Soften your facial muscles. Notice any thoughts passing by. Allow your mind to be free. Release the need for approval. Embrace this moment of peace. Imagine holding your device. Feel its weight in your hands. See cords connecting to you. Cords from device to heart, symbolizing attachment and need. Gently unplug one cord. Feel lighter with each release. Unplug another connection. Notice the freedom growing. The device begins to fade. Watch it drift away slowly. See open space before you. Breathe in this new freedom. Exhale the need for likes. Feel the weight lifting off. Embrace the silence within. You are free from validation. Rest in this peaceful state. Appreciate your own presence. You are enough as you are. Sense a warm light inside. The light glows in your chest. It radiates warmth and love. Feel it expanding outward, filling your entire being. This light is your worth. Unique and ever present within. Let it shine brightly now, melting away external needs. You are complete and whole. Embrace this inner glow. Breathe in self-acceptance. exhale doubt and fear. Your value is infinite, independent of outside opinions. Rest in this truth now. Feel the serenity it brings. You are at peace within. Allow joy to fill you. Trust in your inner self. You are radiant and strong. Envision a peaceful place. Perhaps a forest or beach. Hear the sounds of nature. Feel the ground beneath you. Smell the fresh, clean air. You are fully present here. See loved ones nearby. Share smiles and laughter. Engage in joyful activities. Feel genuine happiness arise. These moments are real. They fill your heart deeply. Recognize true fulfillment now. Unconnected to screens or stats. Breathe in this authenticity. Exhale any lingering attachment. You are grounded and content. Embrace these authentic connections. They nourish your soul. Rest in this peaceful awareness. Feel gratitude for this moment. Carry this peace within you. Begin to deepen your breath. Wiggle your fingers and toes. Bring awareness back to your body. Feel the surface beneath you. Notice the sounds around you. Gently roll your shoulders. Take a deep, refreshing breath. Remember this feeling of peace. Carry it into your day. Let go of external needs. Embrace your true self. Feel fully present and awake. When you're ready, open your eyes. Thank you for joining Zentali Meditation. Don't forget to like,